Only thing that's left to mention is the formula we're going to use in order to find predict the future. Pretty much that's what we're going to do. So right here you guys can see the coefficients right here, and the intercept, weekdays, time of the year, and then the rating. So in order to do the formula, it's going to be pretty straightforward. So we do y equals to the first number right here, the minus 4,000, the minus 44,270. All right, and then we're going to do the plus sign, we're going to add it, and we're going to type this number, and in parentheses we're going to use right here. Okay, in parentheses we see number 5 because we're trying to predict a variable, but we can use weekdays. And then here we can use and then plus, the next one, which will be 5,524 times time of the year. So, and then lastly, plus 21,278 and times rating of the rating of the opponent. Okay, so by giving this formula, pretty much we take the numbers that were given in the multiple regression line when we combine the 3 independent variables with the independent variable. Let's go back to the table real quick. So when we combine the weekdays, the time of the year, and the rating of the opponent with the sales potential, as explained before. Okay, so right here with the formula, pretty much we can add, after we are given this formula and we want to predict the future, we can take this one and say, okay, what about we want to know on a Wednesday, which is, remember guys, assign a number 3. What about we want to do time of the year, which is, we can go back real quick here, our table, and say, okay, time of the year, let's give it a Christmas. Sorry, here it is. Time of the year, let's assign that 3 for Christmas. And then the rating of the opponent, let's look for the Miami Heat. Miami Heat. Rating of the opponent is going to be a 3. So we can go again and type a number 3 here. And then, of course, this formula is not put into Excel as a formula, so that's why it doesn't give us the result or the answer right here. But this is pretty much a formula. You can plug it in another cell, and you can plug it in on your calculator, and it's going to work to predict the future based on the data given, which are the weekdays, the time of the year, and the rating of the opponent. And we can predict sales with these variables. So this is the last part of this project, of this analysis. And pretty much remember guys, you find these informations in the multiple regression line model. Thank you very much for watching.